Jai Hind everyone. It is my 33rd day of my challenge. By mistakenly I mentioned it 30 seconds. Sorry for that. Okay. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sweetie and today is my 32nd day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. So today I'm going to tell you one of the most subtle thing of me. I mean subtle means SUBTLE. Subtle means little but important. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you one of the most subtle thing of me. I was doing my practice in front of mirror, then I was talking to me like what are the changes I got after taking this challenge. Then like I thought that before taking this challenge I do my old practice even regular, but still I had a fear. If I didn't have fear, then I can start my this challenge before, but I could not because I had fear. So the thing is that I mean for reducing this fear, and my this fear is being reduced day by day. And the second thing that whenever I feel sometime whenever I feel low, I skipped my practice because of my mood, and there's so many things happened with me and I skipped. But now like after whenever I record me, then whenever I make video of me, then I always speak about my practice, all the practice like written parts, mirror practice, and then watching video and podcast. The all the practice, I there is a thing whenever I record all these things by saying in front of camera, then my mind fit all these practice in me, and my mind forced me to perform these practices. There is a cycle in my mind that you had to this, you confess this thing, then you have to means you have to do this thing. It is very nice thing. Otherwise there is a routine. Actually now after taking this challenge, I started all these my practice in a routine. So that's why there is a no gap in between my practices. This is the best thing. Of course it is my, as I told you, I just started my this challenge and spoken practice before 2 months ago. So this 2 months is not much time for a beginner, and I'm a very beginner, because being a Haryana, it is very difficult. Like as I told you, I don't have environment, still I don't have any environment to speak with. But all the practice I do alone. But the thing is that now I'm taking interest, that's why it is more amazing for me. Otherwise it give me boredom, but it's okay. And the best thing is that like for 2 days when I made videos for my challenge, I'm not taking interest, still I'm making, because it is a challenge, and as it is a resolution also, then I had no option to complete it. That's why I'm doing. And like now today while making this video, I'm feeling good. Even as I told you, like I have a lots of work, that's why I'm making video in the morning. So that's why in the very morning, in the very early morning, I was making these videos. So that's why I don't know, I think what is the reason behind it. But the thing is that I was not taking interest, but now it is very like now I'm feeling very interesting. And of course our mood is not same all the day, but the thing is that all we have to perform all the activities every day, because it is our routine and we have to follow our routine by anyhow. So that's why I'm saying, there is a very benefit of this challenge. Otherwise oh, this gap is big, this gap will become my uh, will become my part of my routine, and it will also ruin my practice also. Still I'm making mistake, I know, but it's okay, but I'm taking interest. And the one thing is that whenever I made mistake while speaking, my mind pointed out while speaking all the mistakes. But the thing is that I don't want to be like as I feel that I'm making mistake and I had to be stopped. No, first I had to I know the grammar, but I want to become myself fluent. Then after being fluent, I can reduce my all these mistakes because I know the grammar, and I'm doing all the practice written part. And as I told you, like I'm very better in my written part, so I can improve my spoken first, then my, like, I focus on grammar. And it's a very good thing that as I feel that whenever I write, I never stuck while writing, but while speaking there's just so many mistakes I made. But it's okay, it's my learning phase. And okay, so today I want to this is my today's session. I mean, today is a day of challenge. Thank you if you really want to, if you really think that uh, you are also you also feel that my challenge will help you, then please support me. And I know I'm making mistake, but I'm very trying, but I'm trying hard to remove all the mistakes. So please support me, be with me. Thank you. Jai Hind.